Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and I got a neat one for you. It's a 2021 Kia Stinger GT all-wheel drive V6. It's featured in snow white pearl exterior with a black interior. This example is offered by Lou Fusz Kia in St. Louis, Missouri, with a sticker price of $44,685. Love the look of this vehicle, the comfort, the room, the way the seats hug you. It is a really nice car. So for additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Josh. His contact information is listed below. There you can see the Brembo brakes. We have disc brakes, Brembo brakes all the way around, all four corners. It's a fast car. You're going to have to stop fast too. Dual exhaust. You can see the rear spoiler. You can also see the GT badging. There's a rear dual exhaust tips on both sides of the dual exhaust. Stinger badging across the back end. Love the script on the Stinger badging. Windows have been blacked out on this rig. You can also see the shark fin antenna. And here you get a great look at the red Brembo brake calipers. As far as these wheels and tires, they're 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin all-season tires. And get this. There's a disclaimer for the tires. It reduces the top speed to 149 miles an hour. Right away, I thought of the blue pill and some of the disclaimers they have on those. So here you can see the LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, the dual projector LED headlamps. Let's dive into the inside. Let me cover a few things while we're jumping into the back seat. Not a lot going on back here. You just got to hold on at 149 miles an hour. We have heated outside mirrors with turn indicators, puddle lamps, electronic stability control, rear cross traffic, collision warning. Here you get a great look at the dash. We'll show that more here in a better shot in a minute. Parking distance warning, reverse, parking distance warning forward, blind spot collision warning, rear bumper, applique. We already saw that on there. Here you can see the passenger seat with the power passenger seat. Love the bolstering on these seats. Really comfortable, hug you, and you need that with that bolstering. When you get into the corners, this vehicle is fast. We'll talk about the motor here in a moment. So we have leather seating, leather wrapped steering wheel, push button start, you can see right there. Center stack. We slide out of the front seat. So here we are in the back seat. You can see the additional power ports for the rear occupants. You can also see the vents here, and you can control whether you want hot or cold, which is really a nice feature, especially if you're driving into the sun on a cold day and the back seat is in the shade. Kick a little heat on it. There you get a great look at the dash from door to door from the back seat, the center stack. We have electronic parking brake. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We try to bring you as much information as we can so you can make an informed decision. Go ahead and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of this gorgeous Stinger. So here we move around to the driver's door and driver's area. So we have, you can see there in the door pockets, you can also see the power windows, power side mirrors. They are heated side mirror. Great look at the power driver's seat, the bolstering on these seats. As I mentioned, you got a great look there at the passenger seat, how that bolstering just hugs you. And you'll need it too, going into the corners. This vehicle's fast. Leather wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls. We'll show more of all of this here in a moment. Love the dead pedal. You can see how big it is. You're going to jam your left foot into that hard going into the corners. The metallic 3 pedals. Sport pedals. So here you can see the power windows, power side mirrors, heated side mirrors. Here you can see the instrument cluster. Power adjustable power lumbar on the driver's seat. Fingertip controls, and here you can see the paddle shifters. So we have paddle shifters and puddle lamps. And you can put your poodle in the back seat. 7-inch touchscreen. Backup camera with dynamic grid lines. as we punch through the functionality on the touch screen. Bluetooth, audio and cruise, heated steering wheel, surprised we don't have navigation on this unit, but they didn't put that on here. You can see the dual zone climate control, automatic temperature, full automatic temperature control, heated steering wheel. We'll show the button for that here in a moment. Multicolored interior LED mood lighting. So this is a nice compartment here. Again, dual zone climate control. So you can control the passenger and the drivers. Here you can see the wireless phone charger, additional power ports for the driver and the passenger. Auto dimming rear view mirror. So remote push button start, smart key with push button start, tilt telescoping steering column, electronic parking brake, drive mode select, so here we can see the as I adjust the drive mode select, you can see all the options or the features. I still can't get over that disclaimer from Michelin. Reduces the top speed to 149 miles an hour. I love it. There you can see the heated seats, driver and passenger. You can also see the heated steering wheel. That little compartment right there, a great place to throw your pen so you can keep it from flying all over the place. Your center console, your glove box with your owner's manuals. You know, speaking of the pen flying all over the place, when you're doing 149 miles an hour, you don't need stuff flying all over the place. Another great look at the fingertip controls on the steering wheel. So as far as the storage area, you do have a trunk in this unit. It's 23.3 cubic feet of storage. You have carpeted floor mats, and those carpeted floor mats are exclusive to the all-wheel drive Stinger. Here you can see all of your tools for changing your spare tire. You got some additional storage area. You can throw some additional items, smaller items in there. Button up the back end. And now we get to take a look at the business end. So the engine is a 3.3 liter twin turbo V6 engine producing 365 horsepower, producing 376 pounds of foot torque, 8-speed automatic transmission with the paddle shifters, dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive, drive mode select, Brembo performance brakes with electronic parking brakes. We do have launch control on this, which is really, this car is going to be a lot of fun for whoever buys it. You can check all your fluid levels right there. Go ahead and button that hood up again and then get one last look at a 3/4 shot from the front end. Just love this vehicle. Love the red Brembo brakes. Thanks again for watching. Leave us a comment.